In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit Solana on a Phantom wallet step by step. First, open your Phantom wallet. Tap on Receive. Now select Solana. Your Solana wallet address will appear on the screen. Tap on the address to copy it. Next, open the wallet or exchange you're sending Solana from. For this example, I'm using the Phantom app. Go to the Solana section and tap on Withdraw. Paste the Phantom wallet address you copied earlier into the Address field. Make sure the network is set to Solana. Now enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check all the details, including the wallet address and network. Once everything looks correct, tap Withdraw. Confirm the transaction and enter the verification codes sent to your email and Google Authenticator. You'll see a message saying the withdrawal request has been submitted. Now go back to your Phantom wallet and wait for the transaction to arrive. This usually takes a few minutes. For me, it showed up in about 2 to 3 minutes. And that's it. Your Solana has been successfully deposited into your Phantom wallet. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.